So I've gone ahead and downloaded a local copy of this video by In a Nutshell, which is quite informative, and I want to generate some subtitles, chapters, as well as a summary from this video. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is select this file right here, select all these options, and go ahead and select the video language, which is English, and go ahead and start this process. Now this might take a minute or two depending on the length of the video. However, once it's complete, we get a really neat summary, some chapters, as well as subtitles for the video. If that piqued your interest, stay tuned to find out how to spin this up. Now this is actually a container called Subvert, and it runs using OpenAI's Whisper technology for generating subtitles, as well as ChatGPT for generating chapters and summaries. So in order to get this running properly, you'll have to pass through an OpenAI API key, and I'll show you in the next step how you can retrieve such a key and pass it through to your container. Now, one word of warning, OpenAI does work on a pay-as-you-go model, so sooner or later you're going to have to start paying to use these API calls, to use OpenAI's services. However, for the first 6 months, you do get $18 for free, and you can use these as your initial credits. However, once those 6 months expire, or you've used up the $18, you will have to pay as you go and load up your balance in OpenAI. However, I've used this quite a bit, and typically you won't even you'll pay pennies for one summarized video. So that's the price I'm willing to pay personally, since it's a couple of cents at most. But I just wanted to mention that in advance, that after the first 6 months you will have to pay to keep using this. Once your container is up and running, head over to a new browser tab and type in the IP address of your server, followed by the port which you've configured, which by default, if you've copied the code snippet from the description, should be 6565. And right here you'll see the Subvert UI. And now once again you can select this video. I'm just going to go ahead and do the subtitles, set to English once more, and start the extraction process, and we'll see whether or not this works. So it looks like we haven't run into any issues so far. Let's view the subtitles, and that looks really good. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing would be greatly appreciated. Any of these will help the growth of the channel. Thank you, and until next time.